Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways to do Instagram Wrapped. So in order to do Instagram Wrap, first thing first, update your application. So if you have not updated, go to your Google Play Store and on the search box type in Instagram, and instead of open, if you see update, tap the update button and update your application. If you're done updating your application, click the open button and log into your Instagram account. So unfortunately, Instagram Wrap is available for iOS device only from App Store. So there's an app called Wrapped on Android Google Play Store, whose App Store pages uses the same screenshot, and you'll find it banned or lead to the iPhone version. So as already mentioned, go to your Play Store and on the search box type in Wrapped, and once you do that, you'll be able to find the particular application. So this particular feature is only available in certain part of the world. So in my case, I don't have the particular feature, so you might not be able to see it on your Google Play Store. Basically, it has to be available on your reason, so that you'll be able to do the Instagram Wrap. So in this way you can do Instagram Wrap. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.